Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are representative from University Tun Hussein on Malaysia for the International Development Research and Innovation Virtual Exhibition 2024, and our project is Portable Extendable Dining Table with paper or project ID ID149 and DC122. We are a team of three with two lecturers who are Tuan Muhammad Abdul Hakim bin Mohamad and also Dr. Muhammad Shahir bin Yahya, and me myself, Amir Safwan bin Ismail, who is a UTHM student. So these are the contents that I will be sharing in this presentation. A little bit of introduction. A comfortable home needs basic furnishings like a kitchen, living room, and dining table regardless of size. Small homes benefit from extendable space-saving furniture, addressing space constraint. Foldable furniture is trendy in densely populated urban areas, offering convenience. Extendable furniture designs are convenient for small spaces, but standing tables have drawbacks like being time-consuming and requiring multiple people. Hence, this project aims to create an easy-to-use extendable dining table to solve these issues. For problem statements, some of them are various types of folding and extending dining tables exist in the market. Manual extending process consumes more human energy and time. It poses safety issues, particularly for elderly individuals and housewives. These types of table prototypes are currently unavailable in the market. Manual extending dining tables have several flaws that requires attention, and also there's a risk of fingers getting wedged in the gaps between table sections. For project scope, the table design incorporates the living room and a kitchen, requiring a minimum area of 2 × 2 meters. This system works with horizontal opening and closing mechanism. This table is portable, supported by 4 50mm diameter wheels for movement. This table accommodates a maximum load of 55 kilograms. This table can only be used on a flat surface. The mechanical system used is gear and linkage. This table can be used only by opening and closing the table flaps. And lastly, using grease to enhance system performance requires careful attention within this product. So this project have two objectives. First one is to produce a functional, portable, extendable dining table, and second one is to analyze calculation and simulation for this table. So this is a flowchart for the methodology of this project. Okay, starting with literature review, moving on to component selection, create SolidWorks CAD model, run a stress simulation, and if the results approve, we will move to prototype development, and if not, we will go back to stress simulation, and after prototype development we will go to testing process. If it's successful, we will go to report writing, and if not, we will go back to prototype development, and this project will end with report writing. So over here we have literature review. For pattern number 1, the tabletop can be adjusted in height and it has at least one cabinet beneath the table. Pattern number 2, it has inner tube to move the boards. And then lastly, pattern number 3, it has 4 desk sections featuring hinging system. From the literature review, we have listed a few components for the main part of the portable extendable dining table, which are body, transmission, wheel, and also motor. We used the morphology matrix to create 3 alternative concepts. So these are the visuals for the 3 concepts just now. We created this conceptual design table. Comparison was made and rated by these criteria, and long story short, the third concept ranked number 1. Okay, so this is the final CAD design for portable extendable dining table. It has the width of 135.68, depth of 45.95, and also the height of 76.03. So we ran a design analysis for this table for opened and closed flaps. There are 3 analyses, which are stress displacement and strain analysis, and we also have stated the values for each simulations for the open and closed flap over here. We also made Google Form survey analysis toward college students in UTHM. Here we received mostly positive comments regarding the manufacturing of the prototype of the portable extendable dining table. We also made component cost analysis, and approximately 300 ringgit was spent on making this project. For prototype development, the process involves measuring, cutting, welding, drilling, and also assembling. So this is the final look on the prototype of portable extendable dining table. So these are the steps for project testing for calculation. First one is fill two water tanks with water, and then we get the dimensions of the water volume inside the tank, and then we measure the flap length, and lastly place the water tanks on the flap. So this is the calculation for this project to get the maximum bending moment, which is 13.86 Newton meter, and also maximum bending stress 3.272 megapascal. In conclusion, we have achieved the two main objectives. The first one is to produce a functional portable extendable dining table, but unfortunately user needs to manually open and close the table by hand because the motor does not have enough torque to move the mechanism. We also have 4 testers sitting at the table comfortably. Second objective is to analyze the calculation and simulation for the table. Okay, I showed you just now the calculation for the maximum bending moment and bending stress, and also the stress, displacement, and strain simulations for the table. This is the certification registration of copyright for our project, which have been approved by Controller of Copyright Malaysia. Okay, I want to give special appreciation to the organizations and teams in making this competition possible. I also want to say thank you for your time in watching this presentation.